Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made $50+ in Quora using ChatGPT. So two things you need to do to earn money from any platform. First thing, how passionate you are with your work, and the consistency. So in Quora you just have to create your account using Facebook or Google account. After that you need to create a space. In YouTube we have channels, right? We can create multiple channels in multiple fields or niche, right? So likewise we can create space in Quora like a channel. Okay, so in which niche you want to create your space, you just select this option, create space, in the home page of your Quora. After login, just click create space, give your space name, you can describe your space, okay, and you can create. Okay, after creating a space, I am having my space, that is passive income tips, through which I am able to generate passive income. Here you can see in my earning tabs, I made $58.02 till now. So like that you can also be able to earn from this platform. Follow some simple few steps. First thing, you need to upload contents, or you need to create contents in your space related to your niche, right? So my space name is passive income tips. So I used to give or I used to write content related to this topic, and as of now I have 57k followers. I last week I posted like around 99 posts, and in my inbox you can see there are 128 submissions are there. Means my followers, my contributors, and those who want to join or those who want to post their content in my space, they used to submit their post. Okay, and as an admin you have to approve them. If you want to publish their post in your space, then you have to click on add to space, or you can decline simply. Okay, or you can queue these posts, and automatically this post will be published in your space after a particular time interval. So how you can generate money using ChatGPT? So first thing you can do is like open ChatGPT, and here let's say you want to post some content, right? So here we have a tab called post in your space name, so you have to click here, and here we are able to create our posts, right? And you can upload question as well. Let's say if you want to publish some questions in your space, then you can write here and you can add it in your space. I want to post some content like uh, let's say this is the heading of my post: how can I earn money by selling images, right? So this is the topic, and ChatGPT will give me the answer for it. Okay, so like that you can create your post, and you can maximize the quantity of your content in your space. So you just have to copy this title, you have to just paste it here. You can make it as like heading. Okay, and after that you have to provide the answer. That's it. Yeah, you can read this block. If you want to do some improvement, you can add some images to enhance blog quality. If you want to add some links, then you can do it by using this option. Okay, here you have to give your URL to post it. You can monetize your content and you can publish it free also. So you have to click on post, and your content or your blog will be posted in your space. So like that you have to create posts, and how many posts you will publish in your space, that many engagement you will get. We have four methods, or we have four options to earn from a space. First one is like Quora Plus. Okay, so in our Quora we have like Quora Plus. This is a subscription based Quora. If someone have Quora Plus and he or she used to access your space, then from there you can earn. If they refer your space to someone, then by referring you can earn. By engagement, here you can see from Quora Plus engagement I earn like $0.28. If someone subscribe to your space, we had two options, right, to publish a content. One is free and another is paid or monetized, right? If someone wants to read the monetized content, then he or she have to take the subscription or of your space. If they take the subscription, then also you will earn. And by ad revenue in your space, if I go to my space, here you can see I have some sponsors or ads, right? So likewise in YouTube, we used to earn from ad, right? Ad revenue we used to get. In Quora also sponsor some brands, or this used to show the ads in our space. Okay, so how many engagement you will get in your space, accordingly you will be get. So this is the simple method you can use. You can use ChatGPT to create your contents. You can enhance them by adding images, links. Okay, if you want to do affiliate marketing as well, you can do it. So like that you can earn money from Quora. So that's it for today's guys. I will show you more methods how you can use ChatGPT to create multiple digital assets, and how you can also generate passive income using the internet. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.